Trimming cat nails is actually a lot easier than trimming dog nails, so long as you have a moderately cooperative cat. Cat claws typically have a thick base which contains all the blood supply and nerves in the quick, and a thin, sharp point which you can trim safely. Ideally you want to trim the nail close to the thickening, and it will be blunter if you can keep the cut parallel to the underside of the quick. Sometimes in old or debilitated cats you will get nails that have accumulated multiple layers, a bit like an onion, making it harder to identify the right spot to cut. You might have to cut a little bit and peel away some extra nail until you can identify a more normal shape. Regular maintenance will help prevent this from happening. So we will demonstrate with Wonka, who is very used to having his nails clipped by now. Getting the dewclaw can be a little bit tricky, and it may be best approached by changing the angle. You don't have to be perfectly short every time, just short enough to save your skin and your carpet. Getting that tricky dewclaw again. Hind claws are often longer and blunter anyway, so you might not need to cut as much. Be careful not to cut these ones too far. If you're on your own, it may be easier to hug the cat close to you or wait until they're asleep. Being patient is important, and try not to scare the cat, or it's going to just get harder next time. In cats which are climbers or have access to the outdoors, you may choose to leave the hind claws intact so they retain some traction and can at least get up and out of danger in a hurry. Trash Bag is not as well practiced at having his nails done. He also has black nails, which are not actually all that much harder to see what you're doing, unlike dogs, in which black nails are a bit of a pain, really. And be sure to give them a treat at the end.